What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PLTR stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you how we caught this movement to the downside and I nailed this movement basically to the tick. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that Palantir is working with Tesla and with many other Fortune 500 companies, and I will show you how you can find these partnerships by yourself. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when we hit the range of about $10.38 and we went slightly below this level and we were at the price point of roughly $10.10. And right here my main assumption was that we completed all 5-wave structure from this bottom, from the bottom of the golden pocket range, and I have to say that we also caught this accumulation point and we caught the movement to the upside for more than 36%. And right here we completed the top of our 5th wave, truncated 5th wave, and I've told you that we reached a lot of resistances, and that's why we might see lower price targets. And basically we have this movement, and I've told you that we might land at the ranges from $9.27, it is 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, all the way down through 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level and the price point of roughly $8.49. And as you can see, we have this movement to the downside and all of the targets were hit by the price except this one, and in my opinion we still have the possibility to see a bit lower price action, but everything I will show you in my technical analysis in just several minutes. And for now let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you the list of official press releases, and on July 14th we have a new filing right here. Palantir named a leader in AI ML platforms by independent research firm. And let me quote you this news in details. Palantir Technologies, a leading builder of operating systems for the modern enterprise, today announced it had been recognized as a leader in artificial intelligence and machine learning software platforms by renowned research and advisory firm Forrester. Palantir was among the select companies that Forrester invited to participate in the Forrester Wave AI ML Platforms Q3 2022 report. Palantir was cited as a leader in this research. Palantir's Foundry operating system received the highest possible scores in the product vision, performance, market approach and applications criteria. As stated in the report, Palantir Technologies forges a resilient platform for complex, critical AI use cases. Reference customers appreciate the breadth of capabilities with the platform, particularly for the security and governance of ML, which is critical in many environments. Palantir is a solid choice for companies who have heavy data requirements and want to mix classical ML techniques with deep learning ML techniques to build complex AI solutions. And I have to say that it is this second announcement that is quite similar to this one. As you can see, Palantir named as overall leader in Dresner Wisdom of Crowds BI market study. And definitely these type of leaderships, these type of independent competition leaderships drastically improves the credibility of Palantir. And definitely because of this, a lot of new companies signed a contract with Palantir. And let me show you the most exciting news. And first of all, let me show you this. It is the definition of subdomain. And for those of you who don't know, subdomain is the portion of a URL that comes before the main domain name and the domain extension. And right here, as you can see, docs before the dot is the subdomain, and here is the main domain. And subdomains can help you divide your website into logical parts or create separate sites, for example, a separate blog for each sports team. And why I'm paying your attention on the subdomains? Let me explain. So we have a lot of tools that can define the subdomains of any given domain. And let me show you one of these tools. Right here, as you can see, the target domain is PalantirFoundry.com, and it is a Russian website. And right here you can find a lot of subdomains: agate/compute.palantirfoundry.com, corn.palantirfoundry.com, and so on and so forth. And I have to say that we have a lot of very interesting details right here. And let me show you this: tesla.palantirfoundry.com. And this means Tesla already partnered with Palantir and they are working together. And we have a lot of other companies in this list. For example, Hertz right here, or GM, or some companies from crypto industry, for example, Cardano and Polygon. On top of that, we have other automotive manufacturers like Honda. And definitely this list shows that these companies are working with Palantir. And for sure, we don't know the total value of these contracts and we don't know for how long these contracts was signed. But definitely it is a very good tool in order to know what type of companies they are partnered with. And I have to say that a lot of companies that we didn't even imagine are working with Palantir. And it is a really exciting news. And I have to say that because of this list, we might project that from the investor standpoint, Palantir drastically improved its position with these new contracts. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next from the price action? I have to say that if it is the case and if we completed the entire structure from this bottom to this top of 5 waves, definitely we might see some kind of bounce to the upside, and probably we might have another leg to the upside. Because usually the retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag, and we might have something like this. And probably we might land again at the ranges of about 8.5 or even $8. And definitely, if it is the case, we might see the bounce to the upside, because we have to unload this movement to the downside from the 8th of July till basically present day. And if it happens, I highly recommend you not to enter your position, because the crucial point for Palantir right now is this previous swing high. And as long as this asset won't break this range of about $10.3, definitely we cannot confirm the next leg to the upside. And let me remind you that we have to have 5 wave structure to the upside in order to confirm the entire wave, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is nothing else but one wave on a greater scale. And for now we formed only 2 out of 3 impulsive waves. This is the first impulsive wave and this is the second impulsive wave. And these waves are corrective waves, and we have to have another leg to the upside in order to confirm this movement. And in this case, we will pretty much confirm that the $6.47 mark might be the local bottom for this asset, and we won't reach it anytime soon. And this means in this case, we might see much higher targets. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? I've told you on my previous video that the ranges in between $9.3 and $8.3 might be very interesting from the investor standpoint. And if your investment horizon is longer than 12 months, definitely you might enter your long-term position with this asset at these ranges or below. This means just accumulate your position on every daily red candle. And in this case, you will be able to make a lot of profits with Palantir. But for now, from the swing traders position, we don't have enough confirmation of the next leg. And I highly recommend you to wait until we'll see some kind of bounce from its lowest point. And on the retracement, we will be able to re-enter the position depending on the price action. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby,